In this video, we'll show you how to properly wire a built-in cabinet lighting project. We'll walk you through 2 examples and explain how our quick connectors and extension wires work so you can apply these methods in different setups. All the connectors and extension wires shown here are designed to be hidden either between the cabinets and the wall or within the cabinets themselves, but never behind drywall. If wiring needs to be passed behind drywall, a licensed electrician must install a low voltage wire. Before starting, make sure you've planned adequate holes and cavities for your wiring and connectors. The hole should be at least 3/8 of an inch wide with enough space behind it to fit the connectors. You can position it at the end of the fixture so it's hidden once the light is installed. In this first example, we'll light a kitchen with 4 fixtures controlled together on a dimmable power supply. For longer fixtures, we typically run individual home runs to the power supply, but here, since the fixtures are short, the longest being about 4 feet, we can simplify the wiring by using a splitter. That way, only one wire needs to run from the power supply to the top of the cabinet. Each fixture requires an input wire or connector. In this case, we're using quick connectors with a male input connector identified by the C code, followed by the wire length in inches, for example, C3 for a 3-inch connector. These come in lengths from 3 inches to 120 inches. We'll connect all fixtures into a single splitter available in 4, 6, or 10 inputs. From the splitter, a 3-meter extension, EXT3, extension wire will reach down to the power supply installed in the kick plate. To connect the extension wire to the power supply, use WAGO connectors and a female connector called K8. Since there's only one wire, a 2x2 parallel WAGO is enough. Match red positive and black negative wires from the power supply to the K8 connector. Then simply plug the extension wire into the female connector to complete the circuit. For the high voltage power, an electrician can connect directly to the power supply. To simplify installation, you can instead ask your electrician to install a wall outlet controlled by a dimmer switch such as Lutron Cassetta or Pico, and we'll add a plug to your power supply so you can just plug it in. In this second example, the kitchen has 4 short vertical lights and 1 long horizontal light over the counter. We'll group the vertical lights together, but give the long horizontal one its own home run to avoid a voltage drop. Here, instead of using long input connectors, we'll use C3 connectors on each fixture and extension wires to reach the splitter or power supply. This approach works well when cabinets are installed before the lighting, since extension wires can easily be routed inside the cabinetry. Many of our repeat cabinet maker clients keep a wiring kit with extensions of various lengths, splitters, and WAGOs so they can adapt on-site without needing to specify every detail in advance. For the long 10-foot light, a 2-meter extension connects directly to the power supply. The 4 verticals share a 3-meter extension connected to a splitter, then shorter extensions as needed to reach each fixture. To connect both extensions to the power supply, use 2 WAGO 3s instead of a single 2x2, along with female K8 connectors for each extension. If you prefer, we can pre-install the K8s on your power supply so it's ready to go, and we can also include a plug for a simple connection to the high voltage power, as we did in the first scenario. Now that you know the basics of wiring custom cabinetry, you can adapt these techniques to any project. And as always, our team is here to help. Don't hesitate to reach out for advice on your specific installation.